Hello friends, welcome to PLC in Action YouTube channel. Uh, Today we'll see the topic of snapshot. What is snapshot? Snapshot mean normally we can call it as a online data backup. Okay, whatever do you have your set values or whatever you set in the HMI or something for your program, right? That have some set points, right? You want to use the set points to take as a backup, right, to the your DB. So that we need to use the snapshot. Okay, I will explain you from the demo. You can easily understand. Okay, so first I just make one PLC with simulation so we can explain the things better. Okay, and one more set DB I just created the name of setting. So I just sample. I just made some set points for the motor. Okay, we have some set points is there. Okay, first why we need the data backup. Okay, that's an important question. Now the example. Okay, there is a no online value right now. Okay, we just example we have a speed set point of 50. Some torque set point of this one. Okay, some position set points of 100. Okay, these are the your current set point now. Okay, so what is the difference? Okay, if it is the set point is will be always there, right? No, if you stop the PLC or if you power off the PLC, the on-in value will be going to deleted, and it will become a whatever the start value means this one. Okay, if this value will replace while during the boot up, it means this 50 value will be 0. Okay, I can show you right now. I will stop the PLC so you can understand easily. Okay, now I will stop the PLC. I'll start again. You see what happened? Whatever your set points, it's all gone. It means, example, in your HMI you have a 50 60 set points, so everything will be replaced by start value. Okay, it means the start value will replace your online value. So better to take a backup before you downloading to your PLC or you just power off the PLC. That will be a good it is safety for you to get the backup. So it's a very good thing. Otherwise you can always maybe example just make a set point start value as something. So whenever you download, this start value will download to your online backup. Okay, I've just show you now. Okay, example. Okay, now I just made some some start value for testing. Okay, now I just made this as a start value. So as a start value, I will download this one. Okay, I have downloaded now. Okay, see now I will stop the PLC one more time and run. You see, this start value become your online value. It means whenever you stop the PLC, it means if you download the program, the start value will replace the online value. Okay, example, if the value may be 20, okay, this value may be 50, okay, something is 0, but whenever you just download the your online value. Okay, I will stop one more time. You see, now we have different values. Okay, online value is different, third value is different. Easy. So this will be another way. You just save over whatever the values, right? Now the what is snapshot? The snapshot will copy your online value into start value, so you don't lose the your whatever the online value. Okay, so that's a kind of stuff I can explain you. Okay, what is how we can take the snapshot. So just expand all the dB. You see, only first motor we just made some set points, right? The second motor is nothing is there. We just check now. Okay, select your dB. This is called snapshot. It means it will take the online value, okay, the actual value, to as a snapshot. Okay, just click the snapshot of the actual values. While clicking, you just check the right side. There is another column will create. You see this one. Now it is newly created, this one. Okay, now you just check. Okay, whatever okay, one thing we can, as a testing, I want to show something different, so you can. Okay, I just made some changes so that we can easily understand. Okay, I will do one more time. Snapshot. You see, now it is changed. Okay, now click this copy snapshot to start value. It means first what we did, we take the online value. Okay, the actual value means online value. We'll take the actual value to snapshot. Now if you copy the snapshot to start value, means it will copy the snapshot to assess. It will change the to snapshot to start value. I will click this one. Okay, you see this values is replaced by this one. It means first we took the actual value to snapshot to start value. Now if you download the your dB, okay, then your online value become as a start value. So now it will become a part of your backup. So you never lost over what is your online value. It means, okay, even though if you download the something now, okay, just downloading, so it PLC goes to stop, or if you power off the PLC, okay, still it will load the start value. So this is the snapshot. It will be useful for taking the online backup. So where we can use it, already I shown some applications. Okay, whenever you have a key set points, definitely you should take the online backup at least once, because okay, sometimes what happen, they have some standard set points you have, right? Just take as a snapshot, and then as change into start value. It will be very useful whenever you download or whenever you power off the PLC. This won't disturb your set points. Otherwise everything will be replaced by the start value. If start value is nothing is there, I mean it will be 0. So you have to enter again. If you don't know the value, means something like a tool values, then it will be a very difficult. Okay, so that case it will be very useful. Okay, then another option, you can call it as a load snapshot as actual value. It means this value directly you can change to actual value. This one start value as actual value. So it's a different options. But normally we take a snapshot from the dB, then copy the snapshot to start value to all values, then download your dB. So that's a standard way. It's good. You can take the online data backup. I hope it will be clear, even though I'm not able to convey in words, but I can show you as a demo. It will be easily understandable. I hope so. See you guys in next video. Thank you. Bye.